Hello, good morning.
A very good morning to each and every participants. So first of all, about today's webinar on study on awareness on stock market. So today a great speaker, Dr. Sheikh Ahmed Basha sir, who is a director of AIM Academy and is a motivational speaker and personality development trainer, and is a specialist in digital marketing, and also he's a famous person to give certain ideas and knowledge about stock market, and also he is a reputed person in digital marketing as well as in the stock market. So we are very delighted, sir, and very grateful today you are here. And about college, so Balaji Institute of IT and Management located in Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. So which was started in the year of 2009. From 2009 to still with 10 years of in the 10 years of this teaching field, Balaji Institute of IT and Management was achieved so many achievements and awards and ISO certification also. And our college have 180 intake from past 8 years. Out of 180 seats are got filled. And about the founder of college is Lebaku Narapareddy sir, and the chairman of Balaji Institute of IT and Management is L. Nitish Kumar Reddy sir, who is a young and dynamic person. Under his guidance, we are running very effectively the college. And also the principal of Balaji Institute of IT and Management, Dr. Sarika Madam, with his excellent guidance also, we are moving up ahead. And with the cooperation of all the faculty members and our management, today with the help of a great speaker, motivational speaker, Dr. Sheikh Ahmed Basha sir, AIM Academy director, with his help, we are going to start a webinar on awareness on stock market. Sir, over to Sheikh Ahmed Basha sir.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir.
So good morning, one and all. So firstly, I'm very much thankful to Balaji Institute of Technology and Science, Balaji Institute of Management and Management Education for giving this wonderful opportunity to interact with all the participants who are interested to know about stock markets. So firstly, I'm thankful to Nitish Reddy sir, the dynamic chairman, correspondent of Balaji Institutions, as well as Sarika Madam, the principal, and my good friend and the today's host, that is Dr. Ramanjanelu sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity. So firstly, friends, the time is very less. Let's not waste the time and let's directly go into the topic about stock markets. Friends, everyone among us should have the knowledge about stock markets. So first of all, before starting the knowledge about stock markets, I will just go with the brief about stock markets, as well as then I will go with the practical explanation part of the stock markets. To be very frank, it will take nearly 4 to 5 days continuous full day sessions to get a little bit knowledge about stock markets, but the time is very less. In future, we'll definitely have a 3 or 4 day workshop, full day workshop, where you people will get complete knowledge about stock markets. So first of all, before starting this, let me tell you very clearly what is a market first. So market is a place where buyer and seller interacts, and market is a place where these both people will have some transactions. They will purchase some shares, they will purchase some bonds in the form of equities or whatever. That is a market. So Indian economy is very important thing. In Indian economy, markets plays a very important role. So we have basically 4 types of markets. Let me share you the presentation. Then you will get some idea about what is. Yeah, friends, so these are the 4 markets which are available in our country. These are the standard markets available in our country. So first is capital market where we will purchase shares. That is the actual place which is related to stock markets. So capital market is the place which is related to stock markets. So there is one more market, that is money market. There is one more market, that is forex market. Forex market is all about currencies. So if you want to buy international currencies, the currency transactions, xe.com is a very famous website for forex market. And the last but not the least, commodity market. Commodity market is further classified into 2 types, which is agri products as well as non-agri products. So in commodity products like investments in gold, investments in some metals, investment in silver, as well as investment in non-agri products like some agriculture products. So these are the four different markets available in our country. These are called as financial markets. So among the first one, you can see here, this is capital market. So that is all about stock markets, where we are going to have some little understanding about what is capital market. So friends, let me tell you very clearly, that is the difference between capital market and money market. As a individual investor, if you want to invest some amount in capital markets, you can do it. But if you want to invest amount as an individual investor, you cannot invest in money market. You cannot invest in money market. Let me tell you here clearly. Yeah. So you can invest in capital markets. You can invest as individual investor. You can invest in capital markets. But as an individual investor, you cannot invest in money markets. So these are the four markets. So this deals with stocks, bonds. This also deals with stocks and bonds. So here you can see that forex market, this all deals with currencies. This is commodity market, which is classified into two types. One is agri products and one is non-agri products. In non-agri products, you can go with gold, silver, like that. So here, capital markets, as an individual investor, you can invest in that. But as an individual investor, you cannot go into money market. So this is money market is only for short term. You need to be a financial institution to invest in money markets. It's a different concept. Let me explain about capital markets first. Next. So what is securities market? So friends, securities market, capital markets, all are synonym terms here. So security market consists of, wait for a while. Yeah. Yeah, security market consists of equity, cash, capital market, debt market, derivatives, and forex trading, futures and options. So capital market issue part of financial system concerned with raising capital by dealing in shares, bonds, and other long-term investments. Friends, so let me tell you for your clear understanding that this particular capital markets is further classified into two types. So this is a place where we can raise investments. This is the place where we can raise investments. You can invest some amount in a particular company and you can become the shareholder of that particular company. So capital markets provide you a platform. Let us assume that you have a favorite company. The company's name is Tata Motors. You have a favorite company. The company's name is Reliance Industries. You have a favorite company. The company's name is Infosys. You can invest in any of these companies. Depends upon the share value. You can purchase some little shares and you can become a shareholder of that particular company. So few people, they don't have knowledge about stock markets. They think that stock market is all about gambling. Stock market is all about bluffing. No, that is absolutely wrong. So friends, stock markets is all about a place. Stock markets provide you a platform. Elagaithe manaku platform untundo, stock markets also provide you a platform so that you can invest in your interested company. You can invest in your interested company. So here we can see that like we have four financial markets available: capital market, money market, forex market, as well as commodity market. In the same manner, capital markets are further classified into two types. One is primary market and one is secondary market. This particular secondary market is actually known as stock market. Let us take one example. You have started one business, and after taking the permissions, after fulfilling all the formalities, now you are going for a public issue. Earlier, you don't have a public issue. Your company was operating only for a limited geographical region. Let us assume that Andhra Pradesh. Now you want to expand your company throughout the country. Now you want to expand your company throughout the country. Now you want to expand your company throughout the country. So you are interested to expand your company. You are going for a initial public offering, that is called as IPO. Initial public offering, that is called as IPO. Sorry friends, I don't have pen. That's why I'm unable to write here. Initial public offering. So where you are encouraging investors to invest in your company. As a business person, after going with initial public offering, you are encouraging people to invest in your company. That is IPO, initial public offering. So here the thing is, let us assume that you are purchasing a bike. Let us assume that you are purchasing a bike from Hero company. Hero is an Indian company. You are purchasing a bike from Hero company. So here, initially, if you are purchasing Hero company bike directly from the company, that is called as IPO. That is called as IPO. That is the dealing between the owner and the investor. Owner and the investor, that is called as initial public offering. Next, if you are selling that bike to another investor, if you are selling that bike to other person who is not the owner of that company, some other person who is the actual person like you. So if the transaction is between investor and investor, that is called as secondary market. Let us assume that you can see you might have gone through various issues in your life. One among that is the purchasing of lands. Let us assume that one company has opened bid. And they are selling lands on the basis of some cents, 2 cents, 3 cents. కంపెనీ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా ఒక ల్యాండ్ కొంటే దాన్ని ప్రైమరీ మార్కెట్ అంటాం. తర్వాత ఆ ల్యాండ్ మనం తీసుకొని we will take that land and what we will do, we will sell that land to some other person. That means we are acting as an intermediate between company as well as the new investor. If the transaction is between two investors, that is called as secondary market, and that is actually stock markets. Friends, the concept is very simple, friends. One is primary market, where you are buying shares directly from the company, like you are purchasing bike directly from Hero company. That is called as primary market. That's an example only. If you are purchasing shares directly from a company, that is called as initial public offering. ఇంకా మీకు అండర్స్టాండ్ కావాలంటే ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. నేను ఒక కంపెనీ ఓపెన్ చేశాను. లెట్ us assume that AIM Academy is a company. I am going with initial public offering. So one person, Ramanjanelu sir has purchased 10 shares from my company directly. ఓనర్ దగ్గర నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ గా పర్చేస్ చేశారు. That is called as IPO, initial public offering. Now after few days, Dr. Ramanjanelu has observed the growing demand of AIM Academy shares. Now what Ramanjanelu sir will do, he will sell those shares to another investor, that is Dr. Sarika madam, for some profit, maybe 10%, 20%, 50% or 90%. So in the first case, you can see the dealing is between company, myself and Dr. Ramanjanelu. I am the owner and he is the investor. This is called IPO, initial public offering, that is called as primary market. Now in the second case, you can see that the dealing is between Dr. Ramanjanelu sir, the host of this program, as well as the Dr. Sarika madam, the principal of Balaji Institution. That is the dealing between those both parties who are investor and investor. Even though Ramanjanelu sir has purchased shares, but he is not the complete owner. So those are called as dealings between investor and investor. That is actually called as secondary market, and that is stock markets. So friends, stock markets is very simple concept. So you can see here, this point has been clearly mentioned here. So newly formed securities are sold in primary markets, as well as the dealing between secondary market, the dealing between investor and investor is called secondary market. I have shown here clearly. So next comes here is, yes, stock markets. Friends, for selling and buying shares, we require at least a platform to sell and buy these shares. So those two platforms, those two top platforms, I can say, those are stock exchanges. If you want to buy some bike, what you will do, you will go to a branch. You will not go to the manufacturing unit. Manufacturing unit is there in Delhi, which produces nearly 30,000-40,000 bikes a day, every day. You will not go directly to the company Delhi manufacturing unit, and you will not purchase bike directly from Delhi manufacturing unit. What you will do, you will purchase all these stocks through an intermediate, that is called stock exchange. So we have two stock exchanges, that those are Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange is famously called as BSE, and National Stock Exchange famously called as NSE. So here I would like to show you the practical part. So before that, let me complete few more things. Like we have different stock markets available in our country. In the same manner, there are different stock markets available throughout the world. Like NASDAQ is one available, Tokyo Stock Exchange is available, London Stock Exchange is available. So these both are from India. You can see here, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, Tokyo, London. In the same manner, every country has a stock exchange. Every country has a stock exchange. If you want to buy or sell shares, what you need to use these platforms to buy or sell shares through some depository participants. So here, So NSE you can see, BSE you can see. సో అర్లియర్ దీనికన్నా ముందు ఎలా ఉండేదంటే ప్రతి స్టేట్ కి ఒక స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఉండేదండి. ప్రతి స్టేట్ కి ఒక స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఉండేది. తమిళనాడు స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ కానివ్వండి, గుజరాత్ స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ కానివ్వండి, హైదరాబాద్ స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్. దేర్ యూస్ టు బి దీస్ స్టాక్ ఎక్స్చేంజెస్, బట్ ద ఓన్లీ థింగ్ దిస్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ అండ్ now there are only 2 stock exchanges famously known as BSE and NSE. So we'll go in the practical part. Yeah. So all these things are the various when Bombay Stock Exchange has been started, when National Stock Exchange has been started. Okay, let me show you some practical part, so which you are waiting for. At least this small little basics are very important. Okay, let me show you some practical part. So I commonly prefer and I commonly suggest students to go with this particular website. The name of that website is moneycontrol.com. This is a very famous website, moneycontrol.com, where you can see the stock performance, the most standard financial markets oriented platform, where you can see the performance of individual companies, where you can see the index value, Nifty, BSE, all Sensex values here. So this is famously known as moneycontrol.com. So friends, here, this is the front page of moneycontrol.com. So here you can see, I hope you can see what I am trying to show. This is the actual market. So here you can see there are few things available. That is, all these things are index. So now the question comes in your mind, what is index? Friends, let us assume that you will go to a doctor, and what a doctor does is, he will check your body temperature. And through thermometer will kept in your mouth, and through that he will come to know what is the performance of your body, your temperature, whether it could be fever or it could be viral fever or it could be some other. So based upon an indicator, you are being told that you got fever, you are being told that you need to go with this treatment, you need to go with this blood checkup, you need to go with this scanning. So based upon that particular thermometer temperature reading, your entire condition is told. So index is also a indicator. What indicator? Market indicator. What is the performance of the market? So what is the performance of the market? Let us assume that your institution has 5,000 students. And you being the chief executive officer, you being the vice chancellor, you be the principal, you want to check the performance of the 5,000 students. What you will do? You will not check the performance of all the 5,000 students. It's impossible. What you will do is, you will check the performance of 50 students. Maybe 1%, 5,000 students నుంచి 50 students performance ni మీరు చెక్ చేస్తారు. So based upon those 50 students, based upon the performance of those 52 students, what you will decide is, yes, the institution is working good. In the same manner, there are nearly 20,000 companies, approximately 20,000 companies, which has been listed in both BSE and NSE. 20,000 plus companies are listed in both BSE and NSE. In order to know the market performance every day, you cannot check the performance of 20,000 companies. Not possible. That's the reason what you will do. You will just divide companies based upon their sector wise. Manufacturing sector, banking sector, pharmacy sector, automobile sector, telecommunication sector. So based upon that, you will divide companies into different sectors, and you will choose 2-3 companies from one sector, or else one company from one sector. Okay, from software company, I will take Infosys. From banking sector, I will take ICICI or HDFC or SBI, Andhra Bank. Now it is Union Bank. You can take any one of these. From cement company, I will take some other ACC Cement. From manufacturing company, I will take Tata Motors. From pharmaceutical company, I will take Dr. Reddy's Lab. So in the same manner, depends upon the sectors. From 30 sectors, you will choose 1-2 companies, and you will check the performance of those companies, and you will indicate that, yes, this is the price today. So that is called as index. So index is like a thermometer. Sorry friends, I am using this general terminology because the subject is you should understand this subject first. So index is nothing but a indicator of the market. So here the famously known indicators here available is Nifty 50. Nifty represents NSE. Nifty 50. So what it will do? Nifty take 50 companies. Nifty take 50 companies with some base value. Nifty take 50 companies, and among the thousands of listed companies, what it will do? It will take 50 top companies from which are listed in National Stock Exchange, like whatever it is, maybe Infosys, maybe Tata Motors, maybe Reliance Industries, maybe SBI, maybe ICICI Bank, maybe some other service sector, manufacturing sector. And what it will do, based upon these 50 companies' performance, it will tell that this is the current market this is the current index which is going out. This is the current index which is going out. That is called as index. In the same manner, this is Nifty. It will take 50 companies. Now it is Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex sensitivity index. So here it will take 30 companies, and it will register the what is the current market value, price value, share value of those combined stocks. So here you can see. So if you come here in the same manner, you can see some of these stocks available, which are global market. Shanghai market is there, Nikkei market is there, Nasdaq is there, Tokyo Stock Exchange is there. You can see all these things. Now the thing come, one among our participant is interested to buy a stock. One among our participant who is listening very interestedly, he wants to invest in one stock. What the very simple, friends, you need to open a demat account. So this is my demat account. You can see this is my demat account. Right now my investments are not going good. You can see this is my demat account, where you can see the stock prices available here. So you can see the green. You can see here the green represents the rise of the value. చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు మనకు 615 కనిపిస్తుంది. Now it comes to 65 reduce అయిపోయింది. Now 625 increase అయిపోయింది. You can see here. So this green value represents the increase in the share price, increase in the share of a particular company. So here you can see this is 118.50. Now it became 118.90. So that means some transaction has been done between investors. ఎలాగైతే నేను చెప్పాను చూసారా, Dr. Ramanujanu sir has sold a share to Dr. Sarika madam. Sarika madam, after going through some profit, Dr. Sarika madam sold the share to some other investor. This transaction will go out. I will keep 1 rupee profit. I will keep 2 rupees profit on my share per share value, and I will sell that share to others. In the same manner, she or he will keep 1 rupee or 2 rupees profit, and he or she will sell the share to others. In the same manner, like we blink our eyes, in the same manner you can see the prices. So you can see the prices. Not only this, you can see any price. This is the original stock market I am showing right now. This is the original stock market. Actually, when the institution people, Dr. Ramanujanu sir, approached me, I told very clearly that, sir, please keep the session on the weekday lo session పెట్టండి. Why? Because weekend పెడితే stock markets ని చూపిలేము. Saturday ఉండదు కాబట్టి stock markets ని చూపిలేము. Now you can see the online live market. So this is what you can see here, the live market which is available, and the prices which are changing like anything. You can see here. Yes, you can see here. Yeah. Yes, you can see here. Changes of prices. So in the same manner, friends, this is one form where you can just go with knowing about a company. Let us go with the individual company analysis. So this is moneycontrol.com. Let us type here some. Okay, I will go with the first one, Tata Motors. If you want to purchase individual share, now the question comes here, what is share? Now everything you listen to the entire session very carefully. Now the question comes is, what is share? Share ante enti? Let us assume that you have 1 acre land. Let us assume that you have 1 acre land. Now what you have done, you are selling that 1 acre land to people. What you will do, you have divided 1 acre land into 100 bits, 100 cents laga divide చేసుకున్నారు. 1 acre land ni మీరు 100 cents లో divide చేసుకున్నారు. So you have divided 1 acre land into 100 cents. Now what you have done, you have started selling per cent, 1 cent into 100 bits, which is divided to 100 bits to people. That means this 1 acre land is a company and you are selling 100 bits, that are, those are shares. Those are shares. Let us assume that one person has came forward, you have started a business, I came forward, I am purchasing 1/10, that means 10 bits from your company. 10 bits from your company. That means I am the 1/10 owner of the company. 1/10 owner of the company. So in the same manner, a company have some lakhs of shares, some thousands of shares. Let us assume that this is Tata Motors. You can see here. So this is the value which is going. Morning the market has been started. You can see here. Morning the market has been started at a 280, 283. You can see here. Yes. Yeah, 283 market has been started at 283. Now the market has reached to 292. So whatever it is, in a share price, you are getting some little amount profit because Tata Motors is performing very good. That's the reason Money Control has recommended Tata Motors on the top search list. I have not just searched. I have just opened. I have clicked that. It has shown that Tata Motors is performing very good. You can invest on this Tata Motors per share value like that. So it has been started today morning. You can see today 21st January 9:15. The market starts at around 9:30. Around 9:30. Then now the time is around. You can see here what's the time now? 11:24. The time is now. The stock value is 293. That means on a stock you have earned a profit not less than 10 rupees. You can see not less than 10 rupees. Almost approximately 10 rupees value. On one share you are getting a profit of 10 rupees. You are getting a profit of 10 rupees. Friends, interestingly, let me tell you one important thing. The more the risk, the more the return. No doubt about that. Stock market is all about a risk game. Okay, the more the risk, the more the return. We have various financial products available. Mana market keltamo. Market kelte there are so many products available, agri products available. Like we will take tomatoes, we will take brinjals, we will take mutton, we will take fish, we will take eggs. The more the value, the more the risk, the more the return. Remember this. So now you are purchasing the share value of Tata Motors. Each share cost 293, 290. Now it became 292. You can see here. After some time, it will also get refreshed. So here now it became 293.08. From morning, the stock value has increased to 18.15. That is 6.6% increase in stock value. Now what you have to do is,
sir, excuse me, Dr. Ahmed, sir.
Sir, madam, please.
Sir, the online live is not displaying, sir.
Live is
the
not.
Money Control, the online showing.
Let me check, madam. Sorry. Is it clear now, madam? Let me check.
Sir.
Oh, wait, sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Is it clear, sir?
Now also financial planning for executives is showing screen.
Oh, okay. 1 second, sir. 1 second. Let me check it. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Okay. Extremely sorry. Sir, exactly from where I have the screen got stopped, sir? Can you please tell me?
Sir, within 5 minutes back, sir.
5 minutes back. Okay. So we were okay, sir. Okay. I hope you got clear idea about what is index. Index is index is there. So this is actually index. We have index is like a performance indicator. Now we need to go with the individual company. There are different types of companies available. Just I can go with Tata Motors. Yes, sir. Now, yes, You can see here, friends, just now we were discussing about the prices of Tata Motors, the share price of Tata Motors. Now you can see here the price got decreased. The price got decreased. The price got decreased. You can see here. Earlier the price was 192. Now the price got decreased here. You can see here from morning it has been started at around 283. If you would have purchased Tata Motors shares today, you would have got 10 rupees profit on your per share value. Now, when I was dealing this class in the last previous session, addressing some other college people, they told one student asked me a doubt, sir, 290, 280 something is very high amount. Can you please tell me? Now you can see again it has been increased. Earlier it was 288. Now it has been increased. So he asked me, sir, can you please tell me prices which are very less in cost, at least 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 9 rupees. Yes, there are prices which are even less. In the year 2018, I have purchased MRF stock. So MRF stock, the value is, when I purchased, the value is 69,000 MRF 69,000. Yeah, you can see the MRF prices has gone to, this is per share value. You can see per share value of MRF is now 95,000 per share. If you have 9.5 lakh rupees, you can purchase 10 shares. If you have 95,000 with you, you can purchase one share of MRF. Whereas the earlier thing which we have shown that Tata Motors, which we have shown, the Tata Motors price is 293. Now it has again been increased. You can see here, again been increased. You can see here 293. Now it's going out, decreasing and increasing. You need to fix a value. So you will get another doubt that, sir, these values are rising up and down like fish. We cannot able to catch this deshi natukodi, deshi fish, deshi chicken. So these prices are revolving up and down. No, you have to tell that. So this is my demand. Anybody, you can buy my prices at 295. If once that price is there, it will automatically be sold in the market. It's an automatic thing. You can see here. Now I will show another company. Then I will go with the other explanation part. Okay. Any one participant, if anybody allows any one participant, can please tell me one company name. I will search here. The company should be Indian company. Remember that. Any one participant, even Dr. Ramanjali sir or Dr. Sarika madam. Okay, no problem. I will. What I will do is connecting to audio. Okay. One company, anybody? Okay. I will go with one randomly. Okay, I will go with ACC. Okay, I will go with Asian Paints. Asian Paints is available here. Yeah, Asian Paints per stock value is 2,737 rupees. From morning, you can see the value of the stock has increased. The market has been started at 2,720. Now it has been achieved 2,742. 20 rupees profit on this share value, 2,737. So whatever shares I am showing right now, you please make a note of these shares. My kind request to you is, you please see the prices. You please make a note of these prices. You check the prices of Tata Motors. You check the prices of MRF Tides. You check the prices of Asian Paints tomorrow. Check the prices of these prices tomorrow. Then you will clearly get what kind of investments you can plan, what kind of investments you can do in stock markets. Okay, this is all about stock markets. In the same manner, Asian Paints. Now the thing comes, let us go further details about stock markets. Yes, you can see here, this is a technical analysis. You can see here, for doing this technical analysis, there are so many different things which we need to do. Now the time is not sufficient, but what we can do is, you can check the stock prices. You can check the stock prices of this particular company from the past 5 days, from the past 1 year, from the past 6 months, from the past 3 months. Yes, sir. So this is actually, you can see here, this is actually in finance stock language, this is called as candles. We will discuss about that when we go with long-term session, like 3-4 days workshop through Balaji College in future, definitely. So this is these are called candles. So this is totally confusing. I will do one thing. I will change this to some other. Yes. Yeah, these are the, this is very comfortable for you. This is very comfortable for you. This is very comfortable for you. You can see here. Now you can see the stock prices, the varying stock prices from the past 1 year of Asian Paints. You can see past 1 year of Asian Paints. Okay. Past 6 months of Asian Paints. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, these are the past 6 months prices. That means there was a time when August, the price was around 1704 rupees. Now it has been consequently increased to around 2735 rupees. Now it is 2729 rupees. So these stock prices will vary. These stock prices will vary. Please wait for a while. Yeah, these stock prices vary. So here you can see that now one more doubt you will get, that sir, you told about Asian Paints, you told about the stock, what is stock and what is the stock prices per stock prices you told, and what is index. We got idea what is primary market, what is secondary market. Secondary market is actually called as stock markets, and you told us how to search all these things. And one more important thing which I would like to tell. One more important thing which I would like to tell here is, you can see, if once you search about a particular company, there you will get the entire details about that particular company. Entire details about that particular company. So what you have to do is, please wait for a while. Please wait for a while. Yeah, sorry, my battery charging has gone down. Sorry. Yeah. So you can see, you can, if you want to know further about this particular company, you can see the details about this company in terms of the market capitalization. You can see the price has again been increased. Stock market is all about your time, your patience. Always remember, there is only one success mantra in stock markets: your time, your patience. You have to sit in front of the system, and you need to see in such a manner that when the stock prices increases, and when you will reach your actual target, then you can sell all the particular shares of your company. You need to wait for the time. Now it has again been increased to 40. You can see here the prices. You can see the prices. So it is, now it has decreased again. You can see here. So it's all about buying and selling of shares. Now you have purchased one Asian Paint stock. Now what you want to do, you want a target that you will sell Asian Paints share only for 2,750 rupees. Once 2,750 rupees achieves, automatically it will be sold in the market like that. So this happens. So this is all about stock market, friends. Here there is one important thing, that how many shares are there for Asian Paints? The total number of shares are, you can see here, these are the total number of shares. Total number of shares, the opening share value, the previous closest share value, the UC value, LC value, as well as the market capitalization is 2,62,441 crores. You will get a doubt that what is market capitalization? Market capitalization is nothing but number of shares into share price. Number of shares into share price. You can see here, these are the number of shares. These are the number of shares. Shares volume you can take 13,80,000 into 13,80,000 into per share value 2,736. total number of shares into share value. Total number of shares into share value. Let us assume that you have 1000 shares. You have 1000 shares. Each share value is 10 rupees. That means market capitalization is 10,000. Friends, very simple concept. Each share value into total number of shares. Each share value into total number of shares. Each share value is 10 rupees. Total number of shares of the company is 1000. 1000 into 10, 10,000 is your market capitalization. That is called as market capitalization. You can see that market capitalization here. Now the question comes here is the last question. You may get a doubt that sir, in which type of shares I need to invest? That is totally a risky part. You have to do your individual analysis. You have to calculate various ratios, like you have to calculate solvency ratio, you need to calculate the leverage ratio. Mainly you need to calculate the debt ratio of the company as well as the reserve values. ఇందులో కూడా స్టాక్స్ లో కూడా మనకు ప్రిఫర్డ్ స్టాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓనర్డ్ స్టాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మనకు మిడ్ రేంజ్ వాల్యూ, హై రేంజ్ వాల్యూ, లో క్యాప్ రేంజ్ వాల్యూ స్టాక్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. దాన్ని బట్టి ఎంత రిస్క్ ఉంటుందో అంత రిటర్న్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ద మోర్ ద రిస్క్, ద మోర్ ద రిటర్న్ ఇన్ స్టాక్ మార్కెట్స్. సో బేస్డ్ అపాన్ ద కంపెనీ రేషియోస్ యూ నీడ్ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ దట్, as well as you need to calculate the 6 months performance of the ratio. You can go with all these calculations and you can decide which share is the best one and where to invest. Always remember one thing, stock markets is all about huge risk as well as huge return. If you want to enter into stock markets, my sincere suggestion to you is first purchase a very low capitalized, very low market value stocks like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 25 rupees share value. Let us go with one stock price. So few couple of months before, one of my friend has asked me which type of stock I need to purchase. I told him you can purchase a nominal small 1 digit or 2 digit priced stock. 2 digit priced stock. I suggested him, wait for, yes, I suggested him this particular stock. Now the stock value is 1.995 rupees. Now this has totally been out of the market, almost totally been out of the market. Now it has become 2 rupees. 1 rupee stock value. You can see here 1 rupee stock value. The market capitalization is Reliance Orcom is 1 rupee, 2 rupees. Now it has become 2 rupees. Now 2 rupees is not a big deal for you, but don't purchase this. This is not showing results. Please don't purchase this. I'm telling you again, this is not showing results. Don't purchase this. So you can purchase a medium value share. This is good. Steel strips infrastructure, 4 rupees. You can afford 4 rupees. At least if you get some little loss also, you will, okay, no problem, man. It's not a deal. I can. You can purchase 10 shares. You can purchase 5 shares. You can purchase 1 share. You can also, but the only thing is don't risk in taking 1 share because the broker charges, the transaction charges will be so high. At least you plan for a 500 rupees investment or very small, not go for big investments. When if you want to go for big investments, my strong suggestion for you is first of all, for at least 6 months have knowledge about the market. మార్కెట్ గురించి బాగా తెలుసుకోండి. 6 months మార్కెట్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాతనే పెద్ద స్టాక్స్ కి వెళ్ళండి. మాక్సిమం ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ మీరు చేయాలనుకుంటే మాక్సిమం అంటే 1000 rupees. దట్స్ ఎనఫ్. దానికన్నా ఎక్కువ వెళ్ళొద్దండి. మీకు ఇది చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇనిషియల్లీ దిస్ స్టాక్ మార్కెట్స్ విల్ బి వెరీ గుడ్, కానీ స్లోగా దీని బిటర్నెస్ తెలుస్తుంది. అందుకే మీరు చేయాలనుకుంటే టేక్ 500 rupees or 1000 rupees. యూ స్టార్ట్, దాని మీద ఒక పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చెక్ చేయండి, 6 months చెక్ చేయండి. తర్వాత స్లోగా యూ కెన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ యువర్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ రిటర్న్స్. అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ద మోర్ ద రిటర్న్, ద మోర్ ద రిస్క్ ఆల్సో. మీకు 60 rupees పెట్టి స్టాక్ కొన్న వాళ్ళు 10 రూపాయలు కూడా అమ్మలేకపోతున్నారు ఇప్పుడు. ఐ విల్ షో ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆర్కామ్. లెట్ మీ షో ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్కామ్. When I have purchased these shares in the year 2017, the market value was 13 rupees. It has grown very fast and it has reduced also very fast. I will show you the proof. Yes. 5 years ago, yes, you can see here. 5 years ago, yeah, you can see here. 2017, as I told, you can see here. 2017, you can see the price. I purchased for around 13 rupees. 13 rupees purchase చేశాను. బాగా పెరిగింది, వెంటనే అమ్మేశానండి. ఎందుకు మనకు పెట్టుకోవడం, ఎక్కువ రోజు స్టాక్ ని పెట్టుకోవడం కూడా మంచిది కాదు. నా సజెషన్, You can think about this and you can, I have purchased it for 30 rupees 2017. You can see here 2017 lo meer chudochu ikkada. Yeah, 2017 you can see here 2017 the stock price was 2017 I purchased Arcom stock prices for 13 rupees. I sold it immediately. Immediate గా ఒక 500 తీసుకొని అమ్మేశాను. నేను I told my friend don't follow me. I told very clearly. Now I am also telling the same thing. నన్ను ఫాలో అవ్వద్దండి. మీ ఇండివిజువల్ అనాలిసిస్ చేసుకోండి, మీ రేషియోస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోండి, మీ కంపెనీ యొక్క పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ డిసైడ్ టు ఇన్వెస్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ హ్యాస్ బ్లైండ్లీ ఫాలోడ్ మీ. అరే ఈడు అమ్మేశాడు, వీడికి ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది అంటే నాకు వచ్చింది ప్రాఫిట్ అని చెప్పాను. అక్కడ నేను కూడా కొంటానని చెప్పేసి వితౌట్ మై నాలెడ్జ్ హీ హ్యాస్ పర్చేస్డ్ 1000 shares. ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ ద ప్రైస్ హ్యాడ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ టు, అతను 18 రూపీస్ దగ్గర కొన్నాడు, ప్రైస్ హ్యాడ్ రెడ్యూస్ టు 11 రూపీస్. తలకాయ పెట్టుకున్నాడు, ఏం చేయాలరా బాబు అని చెప్పి నాకు ఫోన్ చేశాడు. నేను చెప్పాను, హూ టోల్డ్ యూ టు పర్చేస్ దట్? ఐ హ్యావ్ మై ఓన్ అనాలిసిస్, ఐ హ్యావ్ మై ఓన్ ప్రిఫరెన్సెస్. సో హూ టోల్డ్ యూ టు పర్చేస్? ఐ టోల్డ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. సో ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ your individual analysis, company analysis, competitor analysis, 6 months ratios you need to calculate, and what are the future upcoming projects of the company. Based upon that you can plan to buy it. So this is all about a very short introduction about stock markets, my dear friends. Thank you very much Balaji Institution for MBA. It's a very good institution which is providing wonderful education, maintaining very wonderful track record of students. So many of Balaji Institute students are also my students at AIM Academy. They got very good jobs in Hyderabad and Bangalore. Many of the people, they got settled in corporate sector. If you are interested, you can continue. You can recommend the Balaji Institution for management and management education for others for taking admission into Balaji Institute. So thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity to Nitish sir, Sarika madam, Dr. Sarika madam, as well as Dr. Ramanjanelu sir and other faculty members for giving this opportunity for me to interact with the students about what is stock markets. In future, I strongly request the institution people to arrange at least 2-3 days workshop so that I can personally come and we'll have a detailed interaction about stock markets and as well as digital marketing. Digital marketing is also a wonderful platform. These both platforms you need to have very good knowledge to have a very good job opportunities in the market. One is Google certification for digital marketing, as well as NISM SEBI certifications, NSE certifications, BSc certifications for getting a very good job in the market. So soon we're also planning to start stock market courses at our institution. Already we have started. Now we want to take a official certification program, MOU with NSE, BSc and SEBI. Thank you very much sir for your kind opportunity. Thank you very much for your wonderful opportunity.
Sir, thank you so much sir. So it's a time for vote of thanks. I am very much grateful to you sir for giving a wonderful webinar on awareness on stock market. So and also I am very much thankful to all the participants from different institutions all over Andhra Pradesh, and all the students and the research scholars and different professors from the universities. I'm very much thankful to you, sir. It's a great pleasure, and we feel very happy for giving a wonderful section on this. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And also, thank you very much. We are conducted, and one more thing I want to share with all the participants. So Balaji Institute of IT and Management conducted a webinar on awareness on stock market in association with AIM Academy. So AIM Academy is offering very good training and also providing this coaching. Is also providing bank coaching, tally, and also providing AP set net coaching also providing. So we are also very much grateful, sir, and we hope in the coming days also we are going to plan in different activities like digital marketing, all those things. And once again, and thank you very much for all the participants for spending your valuable time. Okay, so I am sharing feedback link in the chat box, so you can fill the chat box, and those who are not received